Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, we are going to learn folder shortcuts that you should know if you are working on a computer. And I bet you didn't know the last one. So watch the video till the end. And before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now, let's get into the video. Now we are in our file explorer. So here our first trick is to create a new folder just with the keyboard shortcut. You just need to click on Ctrl Shift and N to create a new folder, and you can just click on enter to make it created. After this, if you want to rename a particular folder, you can just click on this F2 button to rename it. So it will be automatically selected and you can rename it, saying that Windows shortcuts, and click on the enter to save it. After this, the final trick is which is very helpful and you might not know this. Click on the Control plus Shift and now press 1 2 3. You can just press on 1 2 3 4 to 1. This is what I see when I click on Control Shift 1 and Control Shift 2, Control Shift 3, Control Shift 4. So this will be making you able to choose different views for these folders. So let me say that I am good with the first one, or let's say second one, this is more good for me. We can do this instead of just going to different options and choosing among these. So these are the three folder shortcuts that you need to know. This video is sponsored by Twipe, Where the Trend. I'll be mentioning the link to the website in the description. You can go check out their collection. And I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button